Hey guys, Jen here of Gadget Pilipinas. We're going to Bali this November 24 to 27 for the launch of the POCO F8 series. They actually sent me an invitation right here, as you can see, right there. And they sent over, along with the POCO F8 Ultra, they sent over a few items before we unbox the POCO F8 Ultra. We've got a t-shirt, a POCO t-shirt, cool. And they also sent over a POCO water bottle. Stay hydrated. Yan. At saka, syempre, they sent over the latest POCO F8 Ultra, which we will unbox in a bit. And inside as well are two more items. Got stickers. Oh, these are not stickers. These are patches. Cool. POCO F8 patches and 100 watts na charger. Now, these are highly essential. I'm not sure why they sent over an extra charger if this actually included inside the POCO F8 Ultra box. But we'll see. I don't know kung meron nga talaga, no? And this jeans bag, which is kind of looking really nice. Anyway, that's everything inside that bag right there. So, without further ado, let's now unbox the POCO F8 Ultra. Alright, so this is the box of the POCO F8 Ultra. What we got right here is the POCO F8 Ultra Denim Blue. That's why this one is in denim. Gets, okay. Saka 16 gigs of RAM with 512 gig of storage. Now, just in case you guys remember, we did review the POCO F8 or F7 series a few months ago. You go check it out. POCO F7 Ultra, POCO F7. Everything is posted on our website at gadgetpilipinas.net. Alright, so this is the box. We've got an inner box right here. Oh, this one's a little bit heavy. We've got a few items. We've got energy, documentations, and all, warranty, and also safety information. We've got also a silicone case. Yan. And a Type A to Type C na cable. You see right there. Yan. Now, there is really no charger inside the box. That's pretty interesting. So ito yung charger niya. I'm not sure if itong box na ito is yung retail box. Kasi normally, minsan nagkakaiba siya yung pinapadala sa mga reviewers kasi minsan nahuhuli yung batch ng retail. So, yeah, 100 watts kasama sa package. We've got right here the POCO F8 Ultra rather. In denim. So yung quality talaga niya is in denim. That's very interesting. The texture is really in denim, as you can see right there. Wow. You know, denim. Saka iba yung texture niya. It really feels different for a smartphone. This is a flagship smartphone from POCO. And yes, it features top-of-the-line chipset, Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5. And they've got a new feature here, which is the Bose speaker. They have a collaboration with Bose, and of course we'll be talking more about this in our full review. So, ang ganda. This is really very elegant. I like how it looks. Okay, so that's pretty much everything inside the box. Let's put everything aside. Let's turn this on. Now, syempre, since we're doing this, I'm gonna give you guys a quick impressions of the speakers kasi isa ito sa mga ibinibida dito sa bagong telepono na ito. Not just simply the processor, the speed, kasi POCO F series is really known for bringing flagship quality to affordability. Okay, so mini-merge sila yung affordability and also flagship quality. HyperOS. Let's go to English is okay. Next, Philippines. And then agree. Then skip muna natin yan para at least we get to experience everything agad. There's eSIM compatibility, which is nice. Let's connect later to our network. There's screen lock, fingerprint, and face unlock, which are really good essential security features. Getting your phone ready. All right. And we're in. We don't need parental lock. I like Nissan's actually. Let's go with the app drawer. System navigation is full screen. We're good with that. And vertical. So I believe this one is already running on HyperOS 3. So we'll get to experience some of the new UI features of this. All set. All right, let's go check it out. For the settings, let's go to About. POCO F8 Ultra, storage is 512 gig. And let's go with the detailed info. We've got 16 gigs of RAM plus 6 more gigs of extension. While it does not say here about the processor, but it says here, octa-core max 4.6 gigahertz. Status, legal information, important safety. All right, let's go and check out the display. All right, and then we go to refresh rate. We go as much as 120 Hz for the refresh rate. For the camera, these are so far the essential ones that we need to check. Open camera. Photo, we've got a few features here. We can zoom in up to 100 times. For video, this one has OIS. Now for video, we've got 1080p up to 8K. 8K frame rate is locked to 30 FPS, which is okay. There's super macro aspect ratios available. Shoot steady. There's a bit of cropping if we enable that. There's also teleprompter mode on the video. For 4K, we only have 3 FPS options, 30 and 60, no 120. For photo, there's portrait mode as well. The aperture can be adjusted, f0.95 up to 16. Okay yan. Let's try to check the sound and vibration. We haven't received any update yet because hindi pa ito nakakonect sa internet. Pero so far, pakinggan natin yung tunog. Meron itong dynamic saka balanced, which is nice. At least may option. It says here, sound by Bose. Wow. Let's go ahead and try it. POCO ringtone. Mi electronic. It's really bass. Ramdam na ramdam mo yung bass sa mismong phone. The phone feels pretty solid and as I mentioned earlier, medyo prominent yung pagka-texture ng denim blue dito. I like its design. It's the type of phone I don't want to put a case on. Of course, we will tell you more about this as we go through our review process. We just received this now. So, but be sure to tune in because we'll be posting our first impressions, sample photos and videos. Especially when we go to Bali, may mga gagawin tayo dito sa phone na to. We'll try it. But then again, thank you so much for watching. Salamat kay POCO for sending over this one. Definitely will give extensive review and impressions of this device. Again, thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.